Hi, this is Thomas with CMC Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to properly set up the antenna on the wireless video transmission systems from our company. I'm going to be using a transmitter and a RF power meter as my receiver to show you the power loss and power gain on different ways of setting up the antennas. At this point, I have both antenna standing straight up on the transmitter and the receiver, and I'm getting a readings of about 100 milliwatt right now. Let me see if I can focus this better. My phone, yeah, it's about 100. Now, a very common problem that people make, a common mistake that people make is by pointing the antenna tip to tip like this, what I'm doing. By doing that, the power on such a short distance it drops to 13 milliwatt. So you are only getting 1/10 of what the transmitter is outputting by doing it tip to tip pointing. Okay, and that's wrong, so don't do it. And there's another common mistake that people make is by pointing it one horizontal and one vertical. Basically, it's like you're crossing it, okay? And that's a no, okay? Because you're getting, say, 22 milliwatt, the most you can get out of it. Now, in some location, there might you might not have enough room to point the antenna up, but you can do a adjustment like horizontal, not necessarily pointing up. Sometimes it actually give you better results. See, right now you're getting sometimes about 200 milliwatt by doing a horizontal. It really depends on the location of your installations. And there's another common problem that people have is elevations. When you have a transmitter at a lower or and the receiver at a higher or vice versa, you can lose a lot of signal by having the difference in elevations. Like right now we're about a foot apart, and you're only getting say about 30 something milliwatt. The easiest way to fix it is by tilting the antenna as a 45-degree angle right now on the receiver, and you will move the transmitter also at 45-degree angle. It really depends on the elevations, and then you can adjust the angle for a better gain, a better signal. Okay. Because you definitely want it to line up properly for the best signal. Because the elevation does make a big difference. Say, for example, I have this at 45 degree, and this one standing up straight, and I'm only getting less than 15. But as soon as I point this one at 45, I'm getting between 70 to 100 because my hands are constantly moving. So this is basically how you should have your antenna set up on the wireless transmitter and receiver. And I'm going to show you also the another high gain antenna that we use for longer range and distance, which is a Yagi antenna. This one is a 18 decibel. They call it a Yagi antenna, and this one is designed for 2.4 gigahertz. I'll be right back, and I'm going to set this up, okay?